Hello and welcome back to another Marble Snap tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rename your deck on the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device, and after playing for a little while, you will unlock various different cards by progressing the levels, and when you have multiple cards, you can create multiple decks. If you go into collections, you can find all of your decks at the left side. If you wish to rename any of your deck, go ahead and tap on it, and now you will find the name of your deck at the top. Now just tap on this section and just type in your name that you wish to use for your deck. After typing in your name, you can simply go back and the name has now been applied right away. You can do this with all of your decks in order to help you recognize easier. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to rename your decks on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more Marble Snap tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.